It started up. It started up, guys. It started up. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. It's the second video of the day. Grind don't stop, guys. We're trying to get this bad boy going. We've been neglecting the other cars too, man. We're trying to get the 72 going. All the other cars super dirty. It's been raining out here like crazy though. All the cars are dirty. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, now that we got that out the way, what y'all are here for, we're trying to figure out the fueling system. It's a little dark over here. Well, that's fine. I got, what am I running? So I'm trying to run the Evil Energy. So we got, let's see. It's too hot to be in the sun, guys. I can scoot over there a little bit, but I think y'all can see. So we got the Corvette fuel regulator slash filter, but I found out this is not gonna work for me because, let me show y'all. So on the intake that I got, not knowing this, I found this out on the YouTube video. It's got an in and a return. I mean a feed and a return already built in, and then this vacuum tells it when to return fuel so it gets the right fuel pressure. So I didn't know that, so I ordered this and I don't even need it. And then the tank, man, some of these videos might be out of order, but the tank that we got is like a 94, 95 Caprice, somewhere in there. So it's got a pump in there, but we are gonna need the fuel line. This is made for fuel. So we got that. I don't think we're gonna need this. I bought these. I think these are connected to the fuel rail. And then we got all these freaking fittings. But we are gonna run, this is the filter. So I gotta figure out how to rig this filter up. Y'all see that right there? Nice. Big arrow on there too. So it goes that way, this way, that way. I think this way. I don't know, man. Nah, I'm just playing. So yeah, we got that. We got a filter. All this goes with that. Then we got, also made by Evil Energy. This is a bad pump right here. This will handle a naturally aspirated motor easily. No turbos, no nothing yet. So we'll run this. Well, filter. I'm trying to keep these fittings separate though. So we'll run filter. We'll pump in the tank. We'll run filter. Then we'll run this. Like that. And then, hold on. That'll go to feed and then return. Okay, so we'll have just two more extra hoses running all the way back to the fuel tank. So I'm just trying to figure this out, guys. Y'all, this is my first LS swap, guys. I'm not saying I'm a LS swap guru, none of that. I work on old school motors, carbureted, stuff like that. This is my first LS swap, and I did it all myself. Had a little help here and there, but for the most part, I did it all myself, guys. So we're gonna try to run fuel today. We're kind of skipping a couple of things. We still got the radiator fans we can put in. We still got brand new brake lines. I think I'm telling y'all too much. We still got brake lines we need to do. We got brand new tires. We got a lot of stuff. But today we want to try to see if we can get fuel to the system and just see if everything works good. Let's show them over here before we start hiding all these wires. Because if we hide all the wires and have everything put up and then something ain't working right, we're gonna have to take the loom off of all this stuff and figure out where the issue is, where the problem is. So we want to try to get fuel to it right now. And if y'all watched last video, y'all see this setup that we did, me and brother, man. It looks awesome. So, yep, let's start rigging this up and let's see what we can do. We're still new to this stuff, so we're trying to figure out how this is gonna go. Cause we're gonna need a hose on this side, which this would probably work for that. Let's see if this fit. That should work like that. And we'll run a hose right there. But we don't know. Can somebody tell us what the heck? How are you supposed to hook something up to this? That's weird. I mean, cause I don't know, man. That is weird. Hey, there's something missing or something. So this was for, I ain't gonna need this either. This was for this pump. Which this was more simple. But I'm gonna have 2 returns. I don't need 2 returns. So I really don't need this. I need to figure out how I'm gonna run something that is. And this came from this company, so yeah. How the heck this ain't gonna go? Cause fuel is gonna spray out of here. Yep. That's not gonna work. Let me pour them all out. See what the heck. This ain't gonna work on there. Maybe we gotta take this off. Let's do some we're gonna have to do some research, guys, because I don't see nothing that will go on to that. Do y'all? Do y'all see anything that'll go on to there? Without it leaking fuel? Because fuel is gonna come out of here.
Because it has that hole.
Yeah. So alright, let us turn y'all off. We gotta figure something out. Alright guys, we got the fuel pump figured out. We took that little fitting off and now we ready to run that in whatever is 6. So this gonna work out perfect. It's finna rain on me. So I got the hose ran. We got this is the feed line. We already got that ran. So let me see what this weather gonna do. We got the fuel pump hooked up, fuel filter, and we got the gas tank right here. And we're just running the fuel pump right now just to see if we can get power. So let's see. Y'all hear that fuel pump? That fuel pump kicking. Yeah, fuel pump's working. So we're gonna see if this thing gonna fire up for y'all. Or should we make them wait till next video?
I think why not?
You think we should make them wait till next video?
Yeah.
Huh?
No.
I think we should make them wait, man, because they don't be watching the videos to the end.
Yes,
What you think? What you think? All right, guys, we're gonna prime up the lines. We'll turn y'all back on. You ready? You recording?
Yeah.
Already? All right, guys, we getting ready to start this thing for the first time in 7 years. Fuel pump on.
Come on. Start it. Start
They
it.
gotta clear out all that old stuff. Oh man.
That
It
thing-
started up.
Ah.
It started up, guys. It started up.
Can I touch him?
We facing the wrong way. Now you gonna mess up my video, Kathy. All right, guys, it started up. So we're gonna run it again and see how it do. Kathy chasing me right now for my own camera. That's up. It's smoking a little bit, but yeah, you can say hi. Say hi to everybody.
Ah, that thing was loud.
Is it loud?
Yeah. That thing. It kind of sounds like the El Camino, but like.
Yeah, you gotta let all that odor out.
Some smell funny. Yeah, we heard it. I heard it. Breaking in.
Yeah.
Got that run.
Gotta let
Boy,
it
you
run.
turn it off.
Yes, sir. She running, guys. She is running. Yeah, we gotta fix this fuel leak.
Yeah, I know it.
All right, guys, that's enough for y'all. We gotta fix the leaks, and we gotta finish putting cooling in here, put the fans on there, and y'all see what it is, man. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.